Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate you a simple AI assistant chatbot that will answer anything about your company that your user may have, like what is your company's return policy, what is your company helpline number, mailing address, and policies and everything. It can answer in very short, so user doesn't have to read all big text context. So they simply can ask question in this chatbot, then it will answer about your company. So let's try. So first question I'm asking, what is your company return policy? It says our return policy follows 30 days return, and there are some conditions. Okay, now I can ask, what is your company name? Company name is Tech Gadget LLC, reliable partner, whatever. So now I need your company mailing address. Here our mailing address is this LLC, and here this is the address you can mail. Actually, this address and every answer giving is from this context. Here you have to write down about your company, like frequently asked questions, introduction, privacy policy, security, and whatever you think that people should know about your company. You can ask, you have to write down those in this place. So now what next question can I ask? Okay, what is your phone number? I should get phone number directly. Okay, here it is. Thank you for your interest contacting us. We have provided our contact detail, customer service. This is the email address and this phone number. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so this was all about this video. See you in my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.